and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. I'm doing a lot with these sparkles, right? This is a shirt that I thrifted from, I think, the Goodwill. So I really like the shine in it and I wanted to wear it. So pardon me for that. But I'm excited about this video that I'm about to bring to you guys because y'all know in the last few, well, maybe not, because I haven't really been posting them, but I'm going to post them so you'll see them. When you see this, then you'll be like, oh, that's what she was talking about. Anyway, I have been saying in some of my BoxyCharm videos that I'm like, I don't know how I feel about BoxyCharm. It's kind of going down a little bit for me. But then I get some stuff and I'm like, oh, it's so bomb. It's still worth it, right? That's the case today. So today, when I opened up my box, well, I opened up my box a couple days ago. But when I opened it up, I was like, oh, they're coming like this. We're going to have to film this. So today, the look that I have on, I did with my BoxyCharm box. So, and I was waiting on my base box to get here, and it didn't come before I left for the office today. So I only have my premium box to share with you guys right now. I'll film my base box at another time. So if you're interested to see like what products I used to get this look, then keep on watching because baby, BoxyCharm did that. Okay, guys. So as I said, this is my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of August. And y'all know what the BoxyCharm box looks like, right? It's the same standard box. And here is the inside of the box. It just says BoxyCharm Premium. I really do like that BoxyCharm sends you the card letting you know how much what you're getting and how much it costs. Because that's one of my complaints about my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Sometimes I get a card, sometimes I don't, and I don't know what costs what, right? So you don't know how much you're saving or if it's worth it. But BoxyCharm always sends one, so I can appreciate that about BoxyCharm. This premium box I have is variation 46, and the theme is BoxyCharm Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, and Summer. So it's a summer themed box basically. And let's go ahead and get into this beauty, okay? So first things first is this Daily Concepts Detox Massaging Brush. And actually this is really cool because I have actually considered dry brushing before, and this is a product that you can use wet or dry for that purpose. So dry brushing is supposed to help with the circulation and blood flow in your, body. And so I think that this will be really cool. This one is cool because it has like some parts on the inside of there that would apply pressure at certain points. And I really like it. It says for dry brushing. It's really cool. It has a little, you can slide it on your hand and brush with it. I'm excited about that. This retails for $18, which is not bad at all. So I was really excited to receive that because it is something that I've thought about doing. And yeah, that's the great thing about this box too. Things that you wouldn't even necessarily think about, or things that you might have been thinking about, pop up and you're able to try them because you got the box, right? Next, this is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. And this is not open, but I know this is a really good skincare brand and it is really expensive. So already I know that this is going to cost way more than what the box costs. This retails for $65. And this is just like a moisturizer. I'm really excited to try this because I've been using here lately just my regular moisturizer that I got from Walmart, St. Ives brand, which I do like for a daily moisturizer. It's pretty lightweight, but I need to amp it up because my skin has been acting up. So I want to give it a little more love and attention. This packaging is everything. This pulls off the top like that. And there is your product, baby. That is fancy. And then, so here it is, very weighted product. Love that. And then here in the bottom of the box, you've got something like a spatula, which is really cool. This packaging is really, really nice. I really, really like it. So there's that. There's a product I'm anxious to try. I did not use this today. As y'all saw, I just opened it. But I will be using this, and I will let you guys know what I think about it. Hopefully I don't fall in love with it and have to keep repurchasing this $65 moisturizer, okay? Because that's expensive. That's expensive. Okay. Next, now everything else I had a chance to use and I'm obsessed. So the next item is this translucent powder from Too Faced. Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder is what I use to set my makeup today, and I love it. I'm so obsessed with this powder. It is so nice. It's very finely milled. This is what it looks like. And I just put a little bit in the cap, and I just did my, you know, set my under eyes, my forehead, my chin, my nose, my face, really. And then it has one of those, it has a sifter obviously, but it has one of those caps that you can close like that. And I love it. I love this powder. So I don't know why I haven't tried it before now, but this is probably a powder that I will repurchase because it doesn't give me a white cast or anything like that. It just melts into my skin and looks so perfect. And it makes my concealer look nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. This retails for $33. Worth it. Period. Worth it. Loved it. Next, this. So this is, this is the Milk Makeup, what is this? Longwear Gel Liner in the color CEO. It is the liner that I have on today. It is like a brown color, and I love it. It's a gel liner. It glided on so nicely. It didn't tug. It didn't pull. It's sitting in my waterline. It's not, you know, smudging or budging or anything like that. And this is what it looks like. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I will definitely be repurchasing it. On the end, on this end, you've got a smudger, which you can see I did use. And then also on this end, you've got a sharpener, if you can pull it out, a sharpener for the gel tip. Y'all, I love this. The color is perfect for when you want to be sultry but not too much. Brown is a perfect waterline color when you don't want to be too bold. So that is what I'm wearing right now, and I absolutely love this. The Milk Makeup Longwear Eyeliner retails for $22. I would absolutely purchase that again in other colors. I want to purchase it again in other colors because I love it that much. All right, next is like a throwback, like an oldie but goodie, but not. So they put a MAC lipstick in the box. I love MAC lipsticks. I love the formula. I love the smell, the texture, everything. I just love MAC lipsticks. This one is the satin lipstick in the shade Verve, and it's what I'm wearing today, baby. I love this. I just love it. I love the way it went on. It's comfortable on my lips. It's not ultra dry or anything like this. I think this retails for $19. Yeah, $19. I love MAC lipsticks. They've gone up in price a little bit over the years, but I think that they're still a very classic formula. Definitely worth it. I'm impressed with the color and just everything. I love it. I love it. And so last but not least, you guys, when I say this box hit. Like, I love everything in this box. But last and certainly not least, the star of this show. Do y'all see my eyes? This eyeshadow, baby. Baby. This is the Ciate London, the Editor palette. She's gorgeous. Everything that I have on my eyes right now came from this palette. This retails for $32, and it is well worth it. So let me show you guys what it looks like, because I'm obsessed and I think that this eye look came out so bomb. And I'm mad that I didn't record it because I'm like, ugh, how are you ever going to recreate this? Because it's so pretty. I don't typically do like a spotlight or a halo type eye, but for some reason I just wanted to do one. And this was the perfect inspiration. This palette was the perfect inspiration for that. This is what it looks like. Here's the outside packaging of it. Love it. Love purple. Y'all know purple is one of my favorite colors. So pink and purple. Beautiful little package. It comes with a pretty decently sized mirror. I used this mirror when applying my makeup. It's perfectly clear. I could see everything in it. I love this mirror. Now let's get into the eyeshadow. Okay, baby. Okay, so for transition, I went in with this shade right here, which actually comes off a lot darker in tone on your skin than it does in the pants. So this is more of a mauve tone, purplish color. And then after that, I went in with this color right here. That is what is on either side. So that's what is creating the halo effect. So this is the deepest color that I have on my eyes, and it's what I have on the inner and outer corners of my eyelids, right? And the center of my lid is this color right here. It's this really pretty like green color. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color, but I wanted to amp it up just a little bit. So I went in with this color right here, this gold, and I did wet my brush for the gold just to intensify it a little bit. I hope you can see it just in the center of that eye look. And then I went in my inner corner with this color right here. There are so many more other colors in this palette that I want to play around with, but those are the ones that I used today. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors out of this palette, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, what, 24 colors, 18 colors? Yeah, 18 color palette. And I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors out of it. I will definitely be creating more looks with this, but baby, she did that. And I wanted to bring you all something real quick. I used some new makeup brushes to achieve this eye look, and they are from a brand that we know on this channel that I've brought to you before, Qivange. I did the magnetic lashes with them. They sent me some eye brushes and I used them to create this look. I love these brushes. I only used a few of them, but you know, the ones that I did use, I'm like, yes, honey. Let me pull them out and show them to you. You definitely want this brush set. Very inexpensive. I'll have it linked down below for you so that you can check it out. But these are all the brushes that I used to create this eye look. This is the brush that I went in with my initial color first, and then I used the same brush to create the sandwich effect on either side. This is the brush that I used for the center of my lid on both shades. And then this is the brush that I just used. I didn't put any product on it, but I used it to blend out and everything together. And then this one is actually the brush that I used for my highlight today, which is the It's My Ray Ray palette that she did in collaboration with BH Cosmetics. I love that palette and the highlighter in there. This is like the peachy color highlighter. But these brushes are amazing. I only used 4 of them today, but it is a 12 pack. And like I said, I will link these down below for you. Be sure and check them out. Super affordable, nice brushes, great quality. And that's it for my BoxyCharm Premium unboxing today. I loved everything. I will link my referral link down below if you are interested in signing up for BoxyCharm. Also, of course, I will have these brushes linked down below as well if you are interested in them. And oh, excuse me. That's it for this video, you guys. If you are interested in having me recreate this look, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Make sure you're social distancing. Make sure you're wearing your mask. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I'll keep praying for you. You keep praying for me, and we'll see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.